Now he is going to tell about his country. So, are you ready to tell about your country?
Yes, I'm
Yes,
ready.
come on. Show me how will you tell about your country. Okay? Yes, come on. Start. Yes.
Hello friends, my name is Shubham.
Yes, sir.
India is my country. I like my country. I love my country. I live in India. India is famous country. India is popular country. It is one of the best countries in the world. The Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. The President of India is Pranab Mukherjee. India has large population. India has second number in population. In India many people live. They have good knowledge. They have different types of houses. The national animal of India is tiger. The national bird of India is peacock. The national flower of India is lotus, and the national sport of India is hockey. In India there is a Taj Mahal. It is one of the 7 wonders in the world. It is very beautiful. The longest river in India is Ganga. It is very beautiful river. It is very beautiful river. In India there are 29 states. I live in Maharashtra state. The biggest states in India is Rajasthan, and the smallest state in India is Goa. There are many temples in India. They are very famous. Golden Temple is my favorite temple. The capital of India is Delhi. I love my country. I like my country very much. Thank you very much.
Yes, very good. Yes, very good.
Do you like your country?
Yes, I like my country.
Who is the first president of India?
The first president of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
The Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi.
Do you love India?
Yes, I love my India.
Who is the first president of India?
The first president of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Who is the president of India?
The president of India is Dr. Pranab Mukherjee.
Do you like Indian culture?
Yes, I like my Indian culture.
Who is the godfather of India?
The godfather of India is Mahatma Gandhi.
How many rivers are in India?
There are many rivers in India.
Who is the writer of Vande Mataram?
The writer of Vande Mataram is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Very good.
When did we celebrate our Independence Day?
We celebrate our Independence Day at 15 August.
When did India get freedom?
India got freedom at 15 August 1947.
Can you tell me some names of India's neighbor nation?
Yes, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan are the neighbors of India.
Which is the national game of India?
The national game of India is hockey.
Which is the international biggest cricket stadium in our country?
Eden Garden is the biggest stadium in India.
Which is the longest rail track of India?
I don't know.
Who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra?
Chief Minister of Maharashtra is Prithviraj Chauhan.
Which is the longest river in India?
The Ganga.
Where is Kolkata?
Kolkata, I don't know. Kolkata.
Which capital of India?
Which is the capital of India?
The capital of India.
Delhi is the capital of India.
Very good.
How many temples are in your country?
There are many temples in my country.
How many states in our country?
In our country there are 29
How many states are in our country? Yes.
Do you like our nation?
Yes, I like our,
Who is our Prime Minister?
our Prime Minister is Narendra Modi.
Which is the famous dam in Maharashtra?
Wilson Dam is the famous dam in Maharashtra.
How many wonders are in Maharashtra?
There is no wonder in Maharashtra.
Do you like Indian culture?
Yes, I like Indian culture.
Who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra?
Prithviraj Chauhan is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
Is India a big country?
Yes, India is big country.
Are there big roads?
Yes, there are big roads.
Yes.
How many historical places are in India?
In India there are many historical places.
Which is the famous flower?
Lotus is the famous flower.
Who is Narendra Modi?
Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India.
Who is the President of India?
President of India is Pranab Mukherjee.
Which clothes do Indian people wear?
Indian people wear many types of clothes.
Who is the famous cricketer of India?
Sachin Tendulkar is the famous cricketer.
Which is the national bird of India?
Peacock is the national bird.
Which is the famous game of India?
Cricket is the famous game of India.
Which is the biggest city in India?
Kolkata is the biggest city in India.
Tell me some name of freedom fighter.
Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru are some freedom fighters.
Which festival do Indian people celebrate?
Very
Indian
good.
people celebrate many festivals.
Who is the best singer of India?
Lata Mangeshkar is the best singer of India.
Very good.
Which is the coolest place in India?
Kashmir is the coolest place in India.
Which is the sub-capital of India?
Sub-capital of India is Mumbai
Why is India famous?
because it is best country.
Who was Mahatma Gandhi?
Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter.
How many temples are in India?
In India there are many temples.
Which is our national anthem?
Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem.
Yes. And can you show which methods, which structures are you using?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now she will show you the structural patterns which is.
हमारा यह ऐप शेड्यूल परचेसिंग का डेमो वीडियो ज़रूर देखें। इस ऐप के स्टोर के ऑप्शन में आपको वीडियोस मिलेंगे। यह सब डिवाइस एंड सीक्वेंस वाइज शेड्यूल है। देयर आर टोटल चैप्टर्स। अगर आप किसी भी चैप्टर पे क्लिक करोगे तो आपको वह कंटेंट लॉक्ड नज़र आएगा, लेकिन बाय के ऑप्शन में जाके आप कार्ड, नेट बैंकिंग या वैलेट के जरिए हमारा शेड्यूल परचेस कर सकते हो। उससे बार बार देख सकते हो और हमारा शेड्यूल परचेस करने के बाद 4 प्रिंटेड बुक्स हम आपको कुरियर तथा स्पीड पोस्ट द्वारा भेजेंगे। और गलती से यह ऐप आपसे डिलीट होता है तो आपके रजिस्टर्ड मोबाइल नंबर से और मेल आईडी से आप फिर से हमारे ऐप में लॉगिन कर सकते हो। हमारे ऐप के स्टडी मटेरियल में हम इन फ्यूचर आपको नए नए टेक्निक्स दे सकते हैं। अगर आप हमारा 60 डेज का शेड्यूल परचेस करते हो तो इन फ्यूचर हम आपकी बैच भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं तथा नए नए अपडेट्स भी आपको मिल सकते हैं।